Alam niyo na ba? Wedding of the year! Ay, putang ina mo! Gago! Kiss, putang, kiss the bride.
Classmate kami ng second year high school. Tapos crush niya ako agad. Hindi ko naman siya masisi kung crush talaga niya ako. Gantong mukha.
Ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa.
Kikilig ka pa.
Crush ka siya, crush ka siya.
Hanggang sa pagtanda natin.
Hindi nila alam, 2016, siya yung nag-abot sa akin. Pati ko image na lang yun. Magaling siya ka dyan!
Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
After long 13 years, we're finally here. It's been a roller coaster ride, and who would have thought na sa simpleng pagsabay ko lang sa'yo noon, isasamahan mo rin pala ako at mananatili ka after 13 and many more years to come as we start our marriage today.
What's on your mind? I see that you are struggling. Why wasting time to try to fix this on your own?
After 13 years na nakalipas, hindi ko akalain na sa simpleng pagsabay mo, maglakad sa akin, ay sasabayan mo rin pala akong maglakad habang buhay. Sinabayan mo ako maglakad pa uwi. Ngayon, ikaw na ang uuwian
I
ko.
know that's a lie.
So ang katapatan ninyo sa isa't isa, yan ang magsisilbing pangatlong sangkap na para kayo ay magsamang matatag, matagumpay at forever. Na pumuti man ang inyong buhok, pumulubot man ang inyong balat, kayo ay tunay pa rin na nagmamahalan.
You got that free love. So now I am saving mine forever. You got that free
Okay lang.
For the past 13 years, it's not easy loving you. I know. And it's also not easy to love me too. And I want to thank you for loving different versions of me. I am grateful to the Lord that He led me to you. I am grateful to have a girlfriend, fiancé, and now wife like you.
Nakakatuwa kasi parang alam mo yun, parang everything falls perfectly in God's perfect timing.
I'm going all in over my head. I'm not scared to get drenched in your love.
Thank you, siyempre, sa pag-aalaga sa akin for 27 years, no? Almost 27 years ng buhay ko. And alam ko mahirap na, siyempre, bumukod, but alam ko naman nandyan din kayo para sa akin. And hindi kayo mababawasan ng anak, madadagdagan kayo. At yung magiging future apo. Yun.
God bless.
I love you.
where this road ends. Just as long as my hand's in your hand. Here is where
We've been through a lot, and I'm so grateful that we choose to stay. Hindi alam ng iba how much we've been through, pero we know. And with the help of God, He led us to this day.
Going all in over my head. I'm not scared to get drenched in your love. Wherever you go, God, I'll
yes. Pero yung day by day, dun yung merong struggle, dun yung merong, yun nga, yung away. Mahilig kami mag-away, pero petty fights lang naman. Pero nandun, doon nasusubok yung relationship namin. At the end of the day, pinipili namin yung isa't isa.
God is good. So, parang alam mo yun, parang may destined na kami. And naniniwala naman ako ang destiny sinasadya pa rin yan. Kahit alam mo yun, na hindi siya coincident. Kailangan piliin mo talaga yung makakasama mo for life. Si Tan. Papa ko, wala. Sobrang mahal ko lang ang papa ko. And hindi ko maisip na wala siya ngayon. But I know for sure na masaya siya para sa akin. Papa, alam ko, proud ka. Kasi every time na binivisit niya ako sa panaginip, lagi niya sinasabi na proud siya sa akin. And yun pa lang, enough na to make this day extra special. Thank you, Papa.
Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Alcaide. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal.
I promise to be your sunshine every morning and your holding hand when everything is falling. Lagi akong nasa tabi mo. I love you, my husband.
I am happy knowing I will face every trial and circumstances in this life has to offer with you right beside me. P.S. B. Mabilis man ako maglakad, pinapangako ko na sabay pa rin natin lalakaran ang bawat lakbay ng buhay. I love you, my wife.
I'm not scared to get